Generators by fence.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I was running towards the exit to escape, I guess.
Just
I
wanna
was
get
like,
out
the
of
light
here.
screen, let's go!
Okay, I'm gonna head
Where'd you say
straight
the
in.
generator was? Did you talk about the
Fence.
generator?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
okay.
that fence. When you come through this back fence, can you knock down this barricade?
What barricade? Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
No, I
because
don't know.
it's already opened for
Oh,
whatever
I see, I
reason.
see.
Yeah, it's right outside the back door house. Yeah, I hear you. Okay. Open the door right below me. Side yard door. Yeah, they're opening it. Or maybe picking it and breaking locks. I'm just gonna
Where
wait till they
you're
come up.
looking down?
Okay, they just opened it. Yeah, they're coming up. I got her.
Okay, okay, everyone's here. Jesus.
She was fucked. She was not lit.
Fucking scary, damn. Poor Alma.
That was a TTVer.
Oh.
They're coming back up, I think. I think that was Bubba actually. I would uninstall. Nah. Okay, they're down below. Oh, they're going up the ladder, back side yard. One of them is. I'm gonna meet them there. Maybe they're not. I lied. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. They're coming up.
In the side yard?
Yeah, ladder, side yard. They're not using it no more. Now they are. Yeah, it's sunny.
Oh, but they're in there. Bubba, get the thing. Oh, Jesus.
I got Sunny cornered. He's screwed. Sunny's dead. There's another girl. I think Connie upstairs, side yard as well.
Connie is downstairs.
Okay, it was the other girl then. Unless she went back down, but I have a general idea of where she's at.
Sorry it had to come to this. I really am.
I think he's behind here. She's not, unless she's in the grass.
I don't see any footprints.
Or she went down the ladder.
Well, there's Connie.
Yeah, that's where she went then.
No, she just ran from inside the house out into
Oh.
where we were.
What a retard. I mean, that's a bad word. I shouldn't say that.
What?
Victim bled out. Okay.
I got her. Well, I was chasing her and then she just fell and I was like, wait, what? And I just kept running and I had to turn around.
Okay, this back one is still locked.
What are these people doing? I don't understand. Is this what we look like when we play victim? Like,
Must
I just
be.
feel like they're being overly stupid. Sorry.
It's alright, I'm gonna feed Grandpa. I got full blood.
Did you check the back gate?
Yeah, that's locked still. I have not checked front doors. This one over here by Grandpa is locked. They're both locked.
Are you making noise?
No, she's up top, upstairs.
Oh shit. Okay. Close this.
Where the mountains reach like fingers to the sky. Never ask why. Love never
Did you get her footprints?
Yeah, she went out the back. She went out the window.
Oh, what the fuck?
I
How did
didn't
we
hear
not
any
hear her?
glass.
Oh, yeah, she's at the door. Back gate. Down the well.
This will help them see more clearly.
Oh, I found her. I got her.
I only
Dang,
took 10 years climbing down the fucking ladder to go in the basement. So slow.
Wow, we got a 4K.
Did we have a 4K the last game? Oh, one
No.
disconnected. Yeah.
I guess we did.
She didn't want to die. She was
Damn,
about to get
okay.
to her.
Damn.
Now you popping off. Look at that.
Dude, I swear to
Uh-oh.
God. You're a dude. Go fuck yourself. Piece of shit. I hope you get fucking stunned by this lead 6 times. God, I hate like you.
I gotta change my thingamajiggy.
And it's fucking gas station.
Okay.
Maybe that's really a mood killer, not being able to play Sissy.
Do you want to leave?
No, we can stay. So we can actually be in a good lobby constantly.
No, but we haven't had issues with finding lobbies.
Yeah, I'd be alright. I gotta learn how to play BOOBA anyways.
Okay.
So then, we can actually still get lobbies. Do I have any skill tree points? How? What are you telling me I don't have any skill tree points, bro? No, Connie. Okay, let me start my chainsaw.
Oh, I thought that was weird.
Found Leland already. You asshole.
Hey, if he knocks you, he won't be able to knock us for a while. Or
That's
you
true.
again. Just remember that.
Bullshit, bro.
Grandpa's in the house unless you get up to.
Alright. I'm still on her ass. You fucking barricades, dude! This shit's so fucking stupid! Oh my god. It's the smallest things that piss me off in this game. There's another one! Oh my god. Yeah, I see 2 bitches. Sunny and this Anna bitch I'm gonna go after. If I can... I can't. I can't, dude. This is the 3rd barricade in the last 2 minutes. Get over, bitch.
You killing somebody?
Almost. Hopefully. I got her. Thank God. Same person I've been chasing the entire time I've been down here. Okay, I'm gonna go up there. I see you struggling. There's someone fighting.
Anyone? Knock me down.
Dude, you gotta be shitting me. It's the fucking ladder exit out of all the fucking exits I find, and it's the ladder one. Oh my lord, dude. I'm not having fun down here, dude. Get me out of here.
I just got done checking the other gates. Oh, somebody's over here.
I'm feeding
Back of the
Grandpa.
house.
Feeding Grandpa real quick. Where at back?
Straight outside.
Okay.
It's Anna.
Are they heading inside?
She's running towards the generator exit.
Okay. Down the well. I'm going down the well. Or down the
I
well,
see that.
Jesus. Downstairs.
Yeah, this is how Connie.
I found
So we
someone.
can get to the doors easily.
I got someone. Anna? Julie? Oh, okay. That gives us the... He's going out back. Fucking sissy, do something. I got 4K, dude. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Man, that's
Alright, I'm
awesome.
just watching through the window of the house while I see Grandpa keep killing it.
Let's fucking go, dude. That's Bubba. Oh, I see her.
Oh.
She's in the house. Where'd you go?
She's out back. She's running. She went to the right. Right.
My bad.
Bruh.
I didn't know you were right here.
She's behind you.
She stabbed me. I didn't hear her until last second.
She went in the building. I have no idea where she went.
Oh, she's in front. Crouching
front?
somewhere. She's behind you. I think she's still in the house. I hear her. I got her.
Just a touch.
Okay.
I don't know why she flushes
the
the toilet. She had to take a shit real quick. I hit her a couple times. She went, yeah, oh, perfect. She's in the basement now.
I like that. I like that.
God damn it. Found her. This motherfucker. I'd lose this one. I'd lose all the time. Heck.
Dude, I don't know how to get over to you.
She's going up the ladder. I lied. I lied. Yes, she is. Climbing up with her, right behind her. I'm literally in her ass cheeks, dude. She's heading towards, back. Yeah, you see her. You see her. She sprinted to that bitch fast. Come here, girl. Don't let it slam on me. Open.
I did so.
I don't know where she went.
Over here.
Who's over here? Oh. Did you kill her?
Another well? Another well. How is this bitch not dead?
Oh, she disconnected. I think she's died.
Oh, slay.
Yeah.
I still get the kill. Bitch.
Slay. I like this because I know where like all the fuse boxes and stuff are.
Yeah.
Okay, generator is by fence.
I know I can't.
They're at the door. Like in the room that leads outside to the half yard.
Side yard.
Yeah.
Are they
Yeah,
out?
they're down here.
Okay.
Just close the door. It's Connie. And Anna. They're both here. Yeah, I just scared them back into the basement.
Someone just opened a door. Hey, girl.
Yep.
Come back down. I lied. I'm a fucking idiot. Nice. And she was doomed. Huh. Oh, someone's up top. He's
See that?
Anna. He's gonna try to slam me.
Anna's right here.
Oh, you poor little thing.
Anna.
And I think I got Julie.
I know, but I was chasing Anna.
I need to just get my
Anna
stamina
went out
back.
the front door.
Front door, it's unlocked.
Yep.
I got Julie, I think.
Dude, what? Yeah, she's going down the well. Or not.
I am sorry it had to come to this. I really am.
Johnny, you're fucking useless, dude.
Where's she at?
She's outside, like, beyond the fence in that other little hut.
Oh, what the fuck?
Okay,
What's that?
Leatherface is gonna get her. I don't give a shit.
Listen, I'm gonna stay back here.
Are you okay, Grandpa?
Oh shit. Leland's up top. Yeah.
Backyard?
Yeah, backyard. Towards battery fence. He's going down the well. Yep, down the well. This way. I hear him. Yeah, I found him. What are you doing, boy?
I guess I can't see
Oh,
my
get him!
girl.
What the fuck? Johnny is... He does not go the way that I want him to.
Relatable.
I got him. Okay, the other bitch should be with Bubba. But it's... Okay, she turned off the generator somehow?
Oh, that's nice.
What is he doing? He was literally after her.
Yeah, she just escaped.
Dude, these teammates are useless. Like, he saw her run over there. He shouldn't have left.
Yeah, she left. Yeah, so I think she's leaving now.
Stupid. That jet kind of stupid. Okay.
I love having bot teammates.
Like, I was chasing her out there, and then Leatherface came coming out there, and I was like, okay, I'll let him handle this. It's one person.
No, couldn't even do that. Simple task.
Out of sight, out of mind. He just went back inside. Where
I don't
did
see
she
her out here.
go?
I don't see her out here anymore, so I think we're done here.
4 big guys, and they grab on my thighs, blow up my guts like the 4th of July. If they keep fucking my butt, then I might just cry. Poop and semen spraying on my eyes. He lick my dick and the cum start spraying. Charging up my dick, I'ma go super saiyan. When it comes to fucking booty, I don't do much playing. I whispered in his ear like, hey, are you staying? He said, yeah, I'm not leaving. I guess he George Floyd, cause I always leave him not breathing.